Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, has transformed the very fabric of our technological landscape. To truly grasp the impact and potential of AI, we must delve into its fascinating evolution. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century, a period marked by groundbreaking theories and ideas. In 1950, British mathematician and logician Alan Turing laid the theoretical foundation with his paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, posing the profound question, can machines think? This pivotal work led to the development of the Turing test, a standard for measuring a machine's ability. Fast forward to 1956, the term artificial intelligence was coined during a summer workshop at Dartmouth College. This seminal event, organized by computer scientist John McCarthy, ignited a wave of interest and led to the establishment of AI as a distinct field of research. The early days were heady with optimism as researchers envisioned machines capable of performing any intellectual task. The following decades, however, presented challenges and setbacks, often referred to as the AI winters. Funding dwindled due to underwhelming results and inflated expectations. Despite these hurdles, essential progress was made during these periods, particularly in the development of expert systems, computer programs that mimicked the decision-making ability of a human expert. The 1980s saw the resurgence of AI, fueled by advances in computing power and the commercialization of expert systems in industries like finance and healthcare. A significant breakthrough came in the late 1990s when IBM's Deep Blue made history by defeating world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. This victory was a testament to the potential of AI systems in complex problem-solving scenarios. Yet the most transformative advances were still to come. The 21st century heralded the age of machine learning and neural networks, signaling an era of rapid advancements. Around 2012, the development of deep learning, a subset of machine learning, revolutionized AI capabilities. These deep neural networks, inspired by the human brain, allowed machines to recognize patterns and make decisions with unprecedented accuracy. This era saw AI excelling in tasks such as image and speech recognition, propelled by vast datasets and enhanced computational power. Today, AI permeates our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa that understand our commands, to self-driving cars that navigate city streets, AI is more integrated than ever before. These developments raise important ethical and societal questions, prompting discussions on AI safety, privacy, and the future of work. As we look towards the future, AI's potential seems boundless. Researchers are exploring areas such as artificial general intelligence, aiming for machines that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a broad range of tasks. In conclusion, the evolution of AI is a testament to human ingenuity and persistent curiosity. As we stand on the brink of further innovations, the journey of AI continues to unfold, promising opportunities and challenges that will shape our world in ways we are just beginning to imagine.